Okay, let's start the class. Today we'll be discussing the remaining portion of chromosomes. In the last class, what we were talking about was, we were talking about the nucleus. We have talked about the structure of the nucleus and the contents of the nucleus. We have used certain words called as chromatin, chromatids, chromomere, chromonema, etc., right? If you remember the structure of a chromosome. So, types, certain points also we have written as to number of chromosomes, maximum kar hoy, minimum kar hoy, this is the point that we have written. So, aji likha, it's just a few portion that is left. So, aji likha types of chromosomes, heading koriba. Okay, so we are talking about, we are going to talk about the shape of a chromosome, and according to the shape, there are different names that are given to the chromosomes, right? I think you remember what a centromere is. Centromere ki asile? When we talk about chromosome, a chromosome have two identical halves, or they have two arms, they are called as ki? Chromatids, and each chromatid or both the chromatids of a chromosome remain attached at a point, and that point is called as centromere. Now, depending on where exactly you can find the centromere, not necessarily the centromere would always be in the center. If it is in the center, then both the arms will be equal in size, right? Kintu center se thakibo tenuka kotha nohoy, ketiaba beleg position oto thakibo pare. So, depending on that position, we have different shapes, and accordingly tate likhasun. Okay, A2 part or junkhini diagrams kini proper diagrams are given in the NCERT book, so please refer to the NCERT book for the diagrams. Okay, rough diagram eta moi eni akoman ke aki dim. In this diagram also, this black dot. Okay, from this portion, no, what we said is depending on the position of the centromere, we have different shapes of the chromosome. From this portion, how is the question asked from MCQ point of view? Question to keneke ahibo? First is identify the specific chromosome. Diagrammatic based questions ahibo pare, so you have to see the diagram properly. Second, the question has been asked about in a metacentric, suppose if I talk about metacentric chromosome, question to ahibo pare, in a metacentric chromosome, the position of the centromere is, it is in the center. That is the second point to be remembered. And third is obviously the shape. A V-shaped chromosome is also called as, a L-shaped chromosome is also called as. Maximum question has been asked about the shapes. So shape kita monot rakhiba. Next likha number 3, acrocentric. Ulta J hoise, but doesn't matter, you can draw it like this also. Diagram kita NCERT book opera sai loba ha. So these are the 4 types: V, L, J, and I shaped. Against the shapes, you have to remember the names and the diagrams that are associated, but that's all. If the chromosome appears like a I-shaped structure, then what we can say is that one arm it will be long and the other arm it will be very short, right? Etutkeও horu hobo, etutke horu hoi okoman ke lagi thakibo, so it almost looks like a dot on top of the eye, right? Suppose we are talking about a chromosome like this, no? If you are talking about a chromosome like this, tate suppose etu jodi centromere hoy, tat okoman ke lagi thakibo, it's duror pora kenuka lagibo, dotor nisana lagibo, no? So it is this one. So these are the 4 different types of chromosomes according to the position of the centromere. Now since we are talking about this, another term that we have to study is right? So inside the nucleus, which is a genetic material in the form of key thread-like structures, that is called as chromatin. Chromatin condense kori pelai ki form kore chromosomes. Talking about chromosomes, we have written a lot of information about the chromosome, right? About the structure, about the arms, about the shape, etc. So apart from this, aru eta bostu poribo lagibo, that is called a giant chromosome. So heading koriba giant chromosome. Is this part over? One likhi loa. Oh, etu hua nai no. Etu portion pa basi eko poribo na lage, diagram and the name of the shape and the name. Special chromosome, giant chromosome duta poribo lagibo. Why they are called as giant? Because they are comparatively larger as compared to the normal chromosomes, right? And what are the two that you have to study? Ki poribo lagibo? Polytene chromosome aru Lamb-Rush chromosome. Jedi konba agote porhisa. তাত লিখা আছে acentric chromatid নাথাকে তেতিয়াহলে chromatid কি লিখিলো মই centromere is absent. Yeah. Chromatid pur kisuman chromosome protekto chromosome dutal chromatid thakibo lagibo, not necessary. Commonly each and every chromosome will have two chromatids, but there are certain exceptions jot niki chromatid boli nohoy, chromosome will represent by one arm itself. Tetihale duta part na thake jodi joining point tu na thake. If we talk about this to giant chromosome, bahut details poribo nalage. A lot of details is not included in your course, so we'll be talking from NCERT point of view and from entrance point of view. Jekita points dorkar hekini ami discuss korim, right? As far as the discussion is concerned, if you want to study about salivary gland chromosome, it's a huge content, right? Kintu iman khini tumalkok nalage. Ki point lage hekita moi kom. So what we have learned from this line is, when we talk about chromosomes, sometimes we see something called as a giant chromosome. Two examples of a giant chromosome, as the first is polytene chromosome and second is Lamb-Rush chromosome. What you need to know, polytene chromosome, why it is called as polytene? Poly mane ki many, no? We have something that's more in number. Next, the second is called as Lamb-Rush. Why is it called as Lamb-Rush? Because it looks like a lamp brush. What is a lamp brush? Lamp bilak safa koribole brush dal thake na, or just lamp brush. If you don't know, bottle brush to chini pao. How do you clean a bottle, right? You have something like this and you have something like this, right? So we will have a chromosome where duta chromatids thake, no? So these are the two chromosomes. Chromosomes bilakot ki thakibo at certain point loop form hobo, and ultimately the entire structure will look like a brush, and so it is called as lamp brush. ইয়াতে সেন্ট্ৰোমিয়াৰৰ কথা নহয়, এইটো আমি এডাল এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ কথা কৈছোঁ, ৰাইট? তাহাঁতে দে কেন ৰিমেইন এটাচ এট এনি পইণ্ট ইয়াতো, কিন্তু উই আৰ নট কনচাৰ্ণ উইথ দিছ পইণ্ট. ছাপ'জ উই আৰ টকিং এবাউট টু ক্ৰোমাটিড, তাত কি হ'ব পাৰে যে এডাল ক্ৰোমাটিডত কি হ'ল, DNA ছেগমেণ্ট বেছি থাকিলে, ৰাইট? আকৌ এডাল ইয়াতো আকৌ বেছি হ'ল, ৰাইট? চেন্ট্ৰোমিয়াৰ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউৰ পৰা আমি ডিছকাশ্যনটো কৰা নাই, ৰাইট? আমি ডিছকাশ্যনটো কৰিছোঁ এই যে স্পেচিয়েল লুপ লাইক ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ, এক্সট্ৰা পৰ্চন এটা ফৰ্ম কৰিছে, কিবা এটা ৰিজনৰ কাৰণে এইটো ফৰ্ম কৰিছে, ৰাইট? ইট লুকছ লাইক এ ব্ৰাছ এণ্ড চ' ইট ইজ কল্ড এজ লেম্প ব্ৰাছ. লেম্প ব্ৰাছৰ কি? Location in the oocyte. Now what is the oocyte? Immature egg is called as the oocyte, right? মই লিখাই দিম. So first heading kora salivary gland chromosome. So one type of a giant chromosome is founded or was discovered in the salivary gland of a particular insect, right? Salivary gland to we understand, no? Saliva, salivary gland. So salivary gland of a particular insect, when it was studied, they saw that there appeared a special type of a chromosome, and so the chromosome was called as salivary gland chromosome. Karan tat bisari paisile, right? So heading korason salivary gland. Notes के लिखी लो. First write the note and how we have to study for the exam we'll be discussing. प्रथम लिखी लो. काम करो इतने.
Sense of insects,
মানে no salivary gland cells of insects, right? Insects are salivary gland আৰু insects বুলি ক'লে insects are বহুত order থাকিব কোনটো order to be specific diptera and what does it mean? It means insects with two wings ইমান details নালাগে ঠিক আছে I did not take it down also. What is remember is Polytene bulbiani where it was discovered in the salivary gland in which insect? Drosophila, right? So সেইখিনি মনত ৰাখিবা কোনখিনি please repeat last point because of its presence many cytological studies has been made in Drosophila. Drosophila insect or salivary gland eta special type of heri thake chromosome thake. So if it has a special type of chromosome then it will have special type of gene structure also. So genetical studies has maximum been done in this insect. A insect to kami Drosophila genetical studies bilak koribole we use this insect. Okay, what is the reason behind? Because of the presence of this special type of chromosomes. Next. Continue. Next point. Okay, did you understand that line? Why is it called as polyteny? Poly mane ki? Many, right? Many what? Many arms, right? So you have one centromere. Normally when we talk about a centromere, in a centromere, how many arms are attached? Two, right? Dutatke to besi na thake because we have seen this diagram. Something like this, right? After this, so normally ki hoy duta thake, but in this condition what you can see, you have a common centromere with many arms. right? So this is what is called as polygyny. This is a special type of chromosome. Obviously, if it have many arms, then it will be larger in size, and so it is also called as a giant chromosome. Is the point clear? Now, just look into this line. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এটা structure form কৰিব লাগিলে কি হ'ব লাগিব কিবা এটা process হ'ব লাগিব what is the process that is happening the chromosome replicates but they do not separate remember something called as replication of chromosome actually this part is again related with cell cycle and cell division right we talk about a chromosome okay first inside the nucleus what do you see chromatin right chromatin network condenses to form what chromosomes again further condense or if you see under the magnifying glass under the microscope during the process of division ki hoy chromosomes bilak duta chromatids ole separate hoy jay na jay this is the process through the cell cycle or the cell division during the stage of cell division chromatin or arambho hoise starts from chromatin it became chromosome is one structure from that chromosome what is the next step in the cell division the chromosome gets replicated into two chromatids right and plus we will be talking about something called as DNA replication also DNA replication again it's something that is studied under S phase of interphase cell cycle next chapter আমি এইটো বস্তু পঢ়িম right so কি হয় যে এটা ক্ৰোমোজোমত ultimately ক্ৰোমোজোমত কি থাকিব DNA থাকিব genes থাকিব right এই DNA বিলাক কি কৰে they will replicate they will এটাৰ পৰা দুটা ফৰ্ম কৰিব তেনেকৈ replication হ'ব লাগে replication হোৱাৰ পিছত কি হয় এটা ক্ৰোমোজোমত দুবাৰ যদি replicate কৰিলে they will become separate means what suppose we are talking about a chromatin this one right chromatin or পিছত কি হয় chromosomes form kore chromosomes are normally we draw a diagram like this but we know that chromosome actually designed to A2 is a double dekhisa this is nothing called as replication right normally ki porhu ami thread like hoi pelai ki hobo lage chromosome to ei duta arm or pisot ki hoy during the process of cell cycle it replicates because A2 part separate kori pelai they have to go to the two poles so that two nuclei are formed eta chromosomot kelal chromatids থাকিব দুটা কিন্তু actual division এটো এখিনি বস্তু cell cycle ot আমি যেটা diagram লৈ পেলাই করি then it will become clear as of now what we understand is DNA replication or chromosome replication takes place means what eta chromosome আছে chromosome to দুটা arm আছে replicate কৰিলে কি হ'ব আৰু এটা arm form কৰিব so এইটো structure ৰ পৰা আমি কি structure দেখা পাম এনেকুৱা right first the thread then the structure then this will replicate and ultimately it will form this next what next both of them will separate one this part right this one will go to one pole this one will go to another pole and ultimately this one will form a nucleus this one will form a nucleus so starting from one nucleus we have two nuclei now cell cycle cell division not ki hoy eta cell divide into two if a cell divides into two then obviously the nucleus will also have to divide into two right if the nucleus have to divide into two its entire contents of genetic content jikhini ase hekhini dubhagot bhag hobo lagibo na lage right so normally eta nucleus or bhitor ki asle thread like structures right thread like structures ami ki boli koisu chromatin to condense kori during the process of division chromosome hobo chromosome to next step ot ki hobo replicate kora pisot ki hobo separate hobo right so ইয়াতে বহুত chromatin আছে ন বহুত chromatin to বহুত chromosome form কৰিব so ultimately সবে কি হ'ব এনেকে form কৰিব নকৰে so some set will go to if you are talking about a cell like this so এটা part ইয়ালে যাবগৈ এটা part ইয়ালে যাবগৈ ultimately ইয়াতে এটা নিউক্লিয়াৰ ফৰ্ম হ'ব ইয়াতে এটা নিউক্লিয়াৰ ফৰ্ম হ'ব কোনটো স্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ পৰা right one cell with one nucleus ultimately will form one cell with two nuclei and the next step ki hobo two cell with one nuclei each right so ekhini loke I think details ami next chapter out korim as of now what is a polytene chromosome is an example of a giant chromosome why is it called as polytene because we see the presence of many arms attached to a common centromere in this type of a special chromosome normally chromosome ot eta centromere ot duta arm thake etu chromosome ot eta centromere ot kiman arms thakibo many what is the reason behind say bahut kita arms kiho karone ase because the chromosome replicated but did not separate right? If the arms replicate and then they separate, তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব normal normally হৈ যাব, right? কিন্তু তাহাঁতে replicate কৰি আছে কিন্তু separate হোৱা নাই, so all remain attached to a center point. This structure is called as polytene chromosome, and since it was discovered in the salivary gland, it is called as salivary gland chromosome. Clear? আৰু অকমান points লিখিম. Okay, now আৰু এটা কথা কোৱাচোন. Okay, we know if you are talking about a chromosome, etu akisu, right? Etu ki hoy, etu eta chromosome hoy, etu eta chromosome hoy, right? Yato arms ase, yate arms besi ase. Eta chromosome ki thake, genetic material thake. Which genetic material we are talking about? We are talking about DNA and RNA, right? In this chromosome, if the chromosome looks like this, and if one chromosome looks like this, genetic material kar besi ke thakibo? Right? So polytene chromosomes will have a huge amount of DNA as compared to the normal chromosome. Why? Because the arms are more. Jedi arms besi, obviously ta genes besi. Jedi genes besi, ta to DNA besi hoboi. Understood? And why are the arms more? Because they replicate but they do not separate. So this is a special case of a chromosome that was discovered in the salivary gland. Normal chromosomes are beleg, and it is larger in size. No, yate cell division kotha koa nai. Eta cellot he hitu ase. Ami jintu division dekhaisu, that is something that's common to each and every cell. But this is a special case that is found in only one specific cell. Right? If that salivary cell divides, salivary cell to divide koribo na, salivary cell suppose it's one cell, that cell will also divide. Tetale etu hobo, a structure to ako present hobo, right? Okay. এই পইণ্টটোত এটা বস্তু লিখিবাচোন, এই পইণ্টটোত হা এইখিনি again transcription, translation. A words kini from first year point of view, it's hard to understand because we have not talked about genetics, right? So genetics etia porhim tetiahe transcription, translation, it will become clear, right? Actually transcription last class ot okman koisilu niki. One simple meaning about a transcription, the formation of RNA from DNA is called as transcription, right? So transcription or jodi meaning to lage Transcription is a process of manufacturing RNA from DNA. Okay, now come back to this. What is this? A special chromosome. Why is it special? Because it's giant in size and we see a special feature. What is the special feature that you observe? That we see that in such a type of chromosome, the chromosome replicates but do not separate. If it does not separate, then all the chromatids or all the arms will remain attached with each other, and as a result we will say that it has a huge amount of genetic material, right? So if the arms are all attached, arms ot ki thakibo DNA thakibo, right? So DNA bilakor content to besi hobo. Jeti DNA besi hoy tetiale tahate continuously RNA to form kori thakibo, because we will have to talk about something called as transcription translation later, right? Keneke DNA replication hoy, keneke proteins form kore, ebilak words ami pisat pori, thik ase? So as of now polytene chromosome ot ki hoy? First, chromosomes replicate, they do not separate. Second, continuous transcription keeps on occurring. Yes or no? Right? And since, first we were talking about one chromosome. Chromosome to replicate kori pelai ki form koribo? 2 chromatids, right? The chromatids iman to horu nohoy, no? They are a long structure, right? Edal ki hoy? Chromatid, edal ki hoy? Chromatid, dutal chromatid, edal chromosome. Etu hol one chromosome. One chromosome have how many chromatids? 2 chromatids. In this chromatids, if you talk about this as an area where this portion is occurring, tetia hole gote area to ekhini jagat ami fully thaka bostu eta dekha pam ne napam. Just think about a long thread. Thik ase? Edal thread asile normally eneke thake, kintu kiba eta karone yate jodi synthesis besi hoi jay, ekhini fully thakibo na thake. So etuk ami puff buli kobo paru ne noaru. So a puff like structure is seen in this type of a special chromosome, right? And this puff, continuous puff bilake ki koribo, huge amount of RNA ultimately will form rings. Ako jabo, ako eta point of basic synthesis koribo, ako puff form koribo, right? So ultimately this would be called as rings. Aru jihetu Balbiani discover korisel, the rings are given the name called as Balbiani rings. Now from examination point of view, question ki hai? Balbiani ring is the characteristic of which chromosome? Polytene chromosome ne Lamb-Rush chromosome? Polytene chromosome. So from examination point of view, it's not like this that you will have to talk in details. Iman details na lage. You don't have to know anything about chromosomal mapping, transcription, nothing. Ki monot rakhiba? Giant chromosome. Polytene because it has many arms. Third, if it has many arms, it is very, very rich in DNA, right? Fourth, if it is rich in DNA, then jiman DNA besi himan RNA synthesis hobo. So obviously transcription process will keep on occurring. So if transcription normally jiman hobo lagisil tatke jodi besi hoye ase, accumulation of substances will lead to the formation of puff aru you see Balbiani ring. Puff and Balbiani ring are the common characteristic of polytene chromosome. Who discovered the polytene chromosome? Balbiani. Where did he discover? In the salivary gland of which insect, to be proper, in Drosophila, right? Drosophila melanogaster. Iman details na lage, so I have already marked what are the points that are important. So while you are writing a short note, epor gute likhi noloba, right? Polytene buli likhi pelai moi jun kita point tick koriso okol hegita likhi loba. So during the point of exam, so you can just read only the words. What you will read? Puff. What you will read? Rings. Next, huge DNA content. Fourth, huge amount of or high rate of transcription. That's all. These are the 4 words that you have to study. Okay, while we are writing in sentences, there are so many sentences that we are keeping on writing it down, right? So concise short note. So this is all the information about the first special type of a chromosome or first giant type of a chromosome, that is called as polytene. Code dekha papa? Salivary glands. Salivary glands kar? Insects or. Insects or kuntu order? Diptera. What is the meaning of Diptera? An insect with 2 wings falls under this order, right? One example of that insect or one example of that order, Drosophila. So discover kod korise, Drosophila korise. And now we know that this type of a polytene chromosome is present in all the examples of Diptera. Okol Drosophila te je ase hetu nohoy, discover he Drosophila korise, kintu ase kod? Each and every example of this order. clear? Oh, another thing, okay, aru eta bostu disu no, yeah, this point, interface, duta chromosome পঢ়িম, এটা হল lamb brush, এটা হল salivary gland. From examination point of view সুধিব পাৰে যে এই ক্ৰোমোজোমটো আমি কেতিয়া দেখা পাম. A question to why is it important? Because we know if you have to talk about the term called as chromosome ami ketia dekha paum, when the cell is repairing or when the cell is in the process of cell division. If the cell is not dividing, we will never see a chromosome. Instead, we will see something that is called as a chromatin network, right? So, interphase ki hoy, the preparation phase for cell division. A chromosome to ami ketia dekha paum? Interphase ami next chapter porhim. Cell eta divide korile, we have something called as a cell cycle. I think I have already said, no, eta cell divide kori duta cell form koribo. This entire process is called as cell cycle. Cell cycle is divided into two phases. One is called as the interphase, the other is called as the dividing phase. What happens in the dividing phase? The nucleus divides, the cytoplasm divides. What happens in the interphase? It prepares itself to divide, right? So, a preparation time of it to be a special chromosome to dekha paba. Right? Yeah. Next, likha lamb brush chromosome. Is it clear or do you have any doubts? Online students, kiba doubts asil niki? Who discovered? Duita naam scientist naam monot rakhibo lagibo de, eta hol Balbiani, eta hol Fleming. And if you talk about Fleming, another point from cell cycle point of view, Fleming was the one who had discovered mitosis also, right? So mitosis to monot rakhibo lagibo etu. So ultimately কেনেকুৱা দেখিব কোনটো পইণ্ট okay diagramot no diagramot this black color structure no chromomere chromomere now do you remember what a chromomere is chromomere মনত আছে না বাকি বিলাকৰ structure of the chromosome first remember something called as a bead like structure we have drawn something like this এনেকৈ আঁকিছিলোঁ নে কিবা এটা বস্তু a coiled structure খিনি chromonema a bead like structure chromomere right why does it looks like this because the chromatin has condensed itself in a particular position and so it looks like a bead এই গুটেইবোৰ chromonema এইবিলাক কি হয় nothing but coiled fibers of what obviously chromatin material genetic material to hobo no chromosome ভিতৰত so কিছুমান জায়গাত কি হয় বেছিকে থাকে and they will form a bead like structure and that is what is called as a chromomere I think the diagram is already given in that while we were discussing the structure of the chromosome right so from the chromomere we will see a loop like structure that is that develops so these loops ultimately look like a brush and so it is called as a lamp brush one chromosome will have two chromatids বিলাকত কি থাকিব chromomere থাকিব chromomereত কি হ'ব extended area develop কৰিব that extended area is called as loop right and they are called as lamp brush now what is important all the points that I have marked Fleming who discovered lamp brush chromosome is an example of a giant chromosome third discovered in salamander egg cell what is a salamander lizard like no bahut dangor lizard like animal that's called as a salamander but not so very important what is important is this word right it is found in growing oocyte this is a word that is important what is a oocyte a immature egg oocyte or pra ki form kore egg to form kore right so egg to form koribo lagile it has to have the proper contents in the process of maturing that structure is called as a oocyte egg form kora nai kintu formational process to hoi ase that cell would be called as a oocyte next very important not found in if you are talking about eggs are found in mammals also right but not found in mammals right where they are found almost amphibians birds insects etc and they help in RNA synthesis and lipid synthesis RNA synthesis to hoboi karon ekhini area jetia bahi goise obviously DNA besi hobo DNA jedi besi hoise RNA synthesis besi hobo right and they also help in the formation of lipids and fats now where they are seen nailika ha kwa loop aru it's a part of the chromatid extra part no it looks like a loop hekarone tak loop boli koy ami in case of polygene chromosome that's almost the same structure we have used the word called as puff outgrowth right it outgrowth type okay next is coat etu chromatin dudal chromatin থাকিব no etu chromatin hoy etu loop hoy etu chromomere and what is this it is one chromosome what is the name of this chromosome lamp brush ei duta chromatin ase kintu ultimately edale chromosome nohoy janu so ei chromosome tor naam ki lamp brush chromosome right and this type of a chromosome is seen in আগৰটো কি আছিলে ইণ্টাৰফেজ এইটো কি প্ৰফেজ 1 অফ মিয়োসিস So this is all about the chromosome part. Actually, it's a continuation of the nucleus itself. No? Nucleus to jehetu puri tar bhitor ki thakibo genetic material. Genetic material we use a word that is called as chromosome and information about the chromosome, right? Is it over? Okay. Next is starting from a particular cell, we have started the chapter by discussing what? The cell boundary. If you remember, first class what we discussed the cell boundary, no? We have talked about the cell wall and the cell membrane. Then we have started talking about the different contents inside a cell. We have talked about that gel-like substance, cytoplasm, protoplasm, etc. We have talked about the different organelles that are present, membrane-bound, single membrane, double membrane, without membrane, etc., etc. Endomembrane korilu, cytoskeleton korilu. We have talked about the brain of the cell. We have talked about the kitchen of the cell, right? We have also talked about the highway of a cell. If you remember, highway of a cell ki asil ER, endoplasmic reticulum. So almost completed. Khali the last part is cell inclusion. Do you remember that word called as inclusion? Eta cellor bhitor ki thake? It's not only organelles that are present. It's not only the living content that is present. There are certain types of dead contents also that is called as ki cell inclusions. So we'll be writing certain points about cell inclusions. लिखा So, certain non-living substances that are present inside the cell, the first one is silica. Whenever we talk about silica, point to be remembered, the first point, silica deposition commonly seen in case of grasses, if you are talking from angiosperm's point of view. Next is কি হবো সিলিকাটো ডিপজিট হবো না ডিপজিট হলে কোড ডিপজিট হবো সেলত but you have to be precise in which part, especially the cell wall, right? So we have to talk about the wall and also on the leaves বিলাকতো থাকিব epidermal থাকিব. What is important is leaves to বাৰু ইমান মনত নাৰাখিলে হ'ব সিলিকা বুলি ক'লে গ্ৰাছ মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে.
Calcium carbonate to calcium carbonate
deposit so post deposition maximum cell wall ote hoy ঠিক আছে. So specific examples car cell wall ase this one. Now from calcium carbonate point of view, what is important? The word that is important out of everything is this one and this one. Question ahibo, if ki boli kom, if the ergastic substance or if the non-living substance in a cell is arranged in the form of a bunch of grapes, it is called as, first, if it is arranged in the form of a bunch of grapes, who is responsible? Are you understanding? So question matro ei duta word or report, right? Bunch of grapes eta cell thakibo ha, cell tur bhitorot, if you are talking about a cell like this, no, cell tut ki hobo, deposition hobo, ebo to mane unwanted non-living substances. So deposition to keneke hobo eta bunchor nisnake, right? Ako hobo pare, right? So etu ki hoy, it looks like a bunch, right? And it has a proper name for that and it is called a cystolith. So cystolith formation is due to calcium carbonate. Second, bunch of grape like structure is formed because of the deposition of which? One, because of calcium carbonate and calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate, right? So A2 word, or A2 word, right? Baki bila kiman where they are found, ficus elastica ne ficus bengalensis is not important, right? Jeneke silica kole will remember grass, ঠিক তেনেকৈ ক্যালসিয়াম কার্বনেট ক'লে bunch of grapes and systolate. Next, number 3, calcium oxalate. NA course to iman besi, there is no point of studying so much of extra points. You will not have time. So please be confined to those points that we have already discussed in the class, right? Likhute, whenever we write a note, it's obvious that we'll have to write in sentences and many things relating to that point also, right? From examination point of view, please don't waste your time in reading very, very extra points regarding one topic. Ekko dokar nai, wastage hobo. Lemna, Lemna. So from this part, 3 words are important: systolith, raphets and druses. Gutei cell inclusions or pura 3ta word important, eta hol systolith, eta hol raphets and eta hol druses. Whenever we talk about systolith, we have to remember we are talking about what? Calcium carbonate. And if you are talking about raphets and druses, we are talking about calcium oxalate. So the question is asked on that point. If a structure or if raphets are formed because of calcium oxalate. Another point is needle like. Agor to ki asile bunch of grapes like structure. Etu ki hoy needle like structure. Etu ki hoy star shape. So it is the shape, it is the main mineral and it is the name that is given for that specific structure. Systolith ketia kom jeta bunch of grapes hobo, jeta needle like hobo tak ami ki kom raphets, jeta staron nisna hobo tak ami ki boli kom druses, right? Raphets are druses because of the deposition of what? Calcium oxalate. Systolith because of the deposition of what? Calcium carbonate. So this is all. So we have almost completed. Buzilu? One likhira. So we come to the last point of the lesson. Hetu eta extra point. Ketiaba hude what is GERL system? GERL enukwa lagibo je we have never heard about it, right? Whereas we have completed everything about all these, no? Endomembrane system, GERL system. So ebar eta porikhat ahisel GERL, so I have given the full form, right? Not very important. So ultimately we have completed this chapter. Kiba doubts ase neki swa? We have time, go through the entire content and see if you have any doubts. And in the next class, we will be starting with cell cycle and cell division. Okay. I think up till cell, it was the portion for term 1, first year. Yes or no? Term 1 or syllabus nasano neki neki? Huh? Biomolecule zoology ma'am korabo. Thik ase? I think cell was the last one. So we have completed the term 1 portion. You are ready for the test? Okay. Hogol, kenuka? Result to delay? Okay, wait for the result. Doesn't matter. Term 2 portion, I think the first lesson is cell cycle and cell division. We will be starting in the next class, okay? And we will be going according to that only. What we will do is, some of the topics has been omitted, right? So, especially if you are talking about plant anatomy. Another topic is mineral nutrition, another topic is transport in plants. Eblak chapters omit kori dise, right? At least term 2 9. So what we will do is term 2 portions kini complete korim. First ami ki korim cell cycle and cell division. Next I think we have photosynthesis. Next I think we have respiration. So we will be completing the syllabus first and then we will be going for the omitted chapters, right? Plant anatomy to obviously we cannot skip. Transport in plants, mineral nutrition, we cannot skip anything from need point of view. So let's finish the syllabus first and then we will be talking about that omitted chapters, okay? So if you don't have any doubts, I think we can wind up the class. Thank you.